What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and I'm back with an update on that. Yeah, that. I guess I have to actually tap it to put it in to change the focus, huh? That. So we're gonna pull this thing into the garage. We're gonna talk a little bit about it and what my plans are for it, what I'm gonna do with it, because I got to do something with it in pretty short order, and I think it's going up on an auction site.
For the longest time. Whoa. For the longest.
Yo, Percocet, Miley Percocet, Miley Percocet, represent, gotta represent.
All right. Well, guys, figure we'll take her for a little run real quick. Can't hurt anything, right? So, I know a lot of you guys are asking, what's going on with the car, TK? What are you doing with it? Well, being that a lot of the people that I have been dealing with online have been, I think, literally full of shit. I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna list her on like Bring a Trailer, or maybe even eBay. I don't know. We'll have to see. We'll have to see how that goes. But overall, man, she's been running a lot better, right? The bucking and kicking that she was doing, since the carburetor and stuff was done, much better. Like I don't get the. Now it does happen every once in a while, like, and it's like just an individual bang, and that is because of the electronic fuel pump, and the mechanic that put in the other pump. Yeah, you're in neutral. Stop. The mechanic that put in the other pump, that was, she just died. Hold on. There she goes. Because we're rolling, I can just keep her running. That's the other thing I like about a stick or a standard. You can just pop her into gear and she starts up. Here's the thing with this thing. This car, I don't even know what the hell we were talking about. Oh, what I was doing with it, right? Oh, the mechanic. That's what we were talking about, what the mechanic did with the car. So, look, man, the mechanic made it pretty clear that the electronic fuel or the electric fuel pump is not good for this car. That's what he said. He said, look, you'll do a lot better if, there we go. No, you don't like that? There we go. Anyways, it would do a lot better if it had the mechanical fuel pump back in it. So that's what we're going to end up doing. Whew. That first gear is such a bear to get into, man. Like, I've tried everything. Some days it's easy, depending on where you're at. It's easy to get into gear, and then other times it's an absolute bear. And then it will do that sometimes in first gear if I don't start it right. Almost like she's bogging down. But then she'll just run just fine. Now we're going uphill. You notice going uphill now, she's not bogging and bucking and all that stuff. She just runs, man. And I'm enjoying it. I enjoy the car. Don't get me wrong. I really enjoy the car. I do. It's just, what am I going to do with it? Am I going to pay to transport the damn thing to Vegas? I sure as hell can't drive it. We've already made that clear. All right, we'll leave her in first. Pull that brake. And that's pretty much it. Let's talk about what we're going to do with her. Whew. You don't like it when my big ass gets out of you, huh? All right, guys, so my current thought process with this thing is probably listing it up for auction, because I think I would get, and I'm not talking about like running it through IAA or Copart or something, but I'm talking about like Bring a Trailer, something like that, maybe even eBay. And the reason being is, obviously I want to get the most return on my investment that I possibly can, right? But also on those sites, you have like true car enthusiasts. And if somebody buys it like on Bring a Trailer, you know, you don't, Whistling Diesel is not buying cars on Bring a Trailer. Now I say this, and this poor car will get crushed by Monster Max, but my thing is, it doesn't normally happen, right? Usually it's a real car enthusiast, somebody that really cares about the car and they want to do something with it. So I think that's probably what I'm going to end up doing with this one. I know you guys want me to keep it, but then I thought, I mean, like, what am I going to pay another $1,200 and transport it to Vegas? I know you guys want to see me drive it there, but with the gearing in this car, and it's not about getting it into gear, and it's the gearing. Like, I'm gonna blow up that straight 8 if I drive it for an extended amount of time in third gear like that, or second gear. Not even the engine, but the rear end's gonna go. Guarantee it. While it would be funny content, I don't want to destroy this car. I want this car to go to somebody that would actually cherish it. I love this car. Don't get it twisted. I really, really, really love it and enjoy it. I have so much, you can hear it in my voice, I have so much fun driving the car when I drive it. It's just, it's so cool to drive something when you weren't even a twinkle in your father's nutsack. Think about that. Like, my dad was probably smashing like 15 other chicks before he ever saw my mom's, right? I mean, like, when you think about the totality of, this car is from 1953, right? I'm a 70s baby. Like, damn. You know what I'm saying? Damn. You know, this car is older than my mom. Think about that. Like, that's, okay? And driving something like this, the fumes are starting to get me. Driving something like this is just, it's just so cool, man. I know, I get it. Like, I understand the people now that really like driving like the Willys Jeeps and things of that nature, because they're cool, right? Or the old Sherman tanks. I get it. And that's what the nostalgia factor, like the old factor, the fact that it's just this old technology that I can continue to drive and it gets looks all the time. That's the thing I think for me that really sells me on the car. But I know in my own heart, and I know a lot of you guys know with my capability, this car is not in my wheelhouse, man. It's not. BMWs are in my wheelhouse, Audis are in my wheelhouse, stuff. And I know you're gonna say, this is way less complicated. I get it, I understand, it's rudimentary. I don't know how to work, and this is, I mean, could I learn? Sure. Do I wanna learn? No. I'm set in my ways, man. I like what I like. I know what I know. You know, having to learn the Mopar shit was enough. I'm done. Like, I'm not trying to learn a whole bunch of more car platforms, man. And I just worry, if I keep this car, I'm going to destroy it. And I don't want that to happen. Like, I think if the right person got this car, they would enjoy it. And it would be in like parades and shows and all kinds of stuff like this baby deserves, man. This car deserves that, man. I don't know. So that's what I was thinking. Just an update video for you guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. What do I do with this thing, man? Oh, also update. You guys, you guys didn't take too kindly to the situation with the buyer that was a no-show. Damn, that was crazy. But anywho's, yeah, we'll see what happens, man. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. I'm gonna be honest with you, I really don't. I guess we'll we'll go from here and see what happens, man. If you like today's video and you like what I do, let me know by giving it a big thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And I guess that's another trip back out to Vegas. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.
Perfect.